Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 6 on CR 26. It says, which of the ordered pairs indicates a reflection across the x-axis? Okay, so let's look across the x-axis. So this would be our x-axis, this would be our y-axis. I'm just going to make up a couple of points. Let's do like 2, -3. Let's start with 2, -3. If we reflect it across the x-axis, if it's 3 units below the x-axis, so this would be 3 below the x-axis, then our reflection has to be 1, 2, 3 above the x-axis. So that would be the point 2, +3, because it would be 3 above the x-axis. So to reflect across the x-axis, 2, -3 would become 2, 3. And so what you actually do is you keep the x-coordinate when you reflect over the x-axis. And you change the sign of the y-coordinate. Goes from -3 to +3. Change the sign of the y-coordinate. So you can either draw yourself an axis and try this out, but here we can see from here to here, this is the x-coordinate change sign. And the y-coordinate stayed the same. That would be a reflection over the y-axis. Here again, the x-coordinate changes sign. It goes from -6 to a +6. As soon as the x-coordinate changes sign, you know you're not reflecting over the x-axis because the x-coordinate will remain the same over the x-axis. So again, the x-coordinate change sign. So that one's not it. The y-coordinate remained the same. That would have been another reflection across the x-axis. Okay, so this next one's looking hopeful. -3 remained -3, so the x-coordinate stayed the same. And you went from a +1 to a -1. The y-coordinate change sign. Yay! That's what it means to reflect over the x-axis. Your x-coordinate will remain exactly the same. The -3 remain -3, and the y-coordinate change sign. Last one didn't work because the x-coordinate changed sign. The y-coordinate also changed sign on that one. All right, it's letter C. To reflect over the x-axis, keep the x-coordinate the same. That first coordinate remains the same. Second coordinate, the y-coordinate changes sign. Hope that helps.